Hi everybody, it's Randy Valicki, and today I'm here to talk to you about our Ultima 9 Classic. The Ultima 9 Classic features 9 medical grade lasers that have been clinically proven to help regrow hair. Before you use your device, you're going to need to charge it. So inside your box, you're going to find a power cord box. I'm going to go ahead and take my power cord out of my box there. And you're going to want to take the USB-A connector and plug it into the bottom of your power cord, just like that. With the other end, there's 2 ways to charge your LaserComb. You can plug it directly into the cradle, into that little spot there. This little green light will let you know that your cradle is getting power. If you turn the device around this way, this light is going to flash, letting you know that your device is charging. When it's done charging, when the battery is full, this will go from a flashing light to a steady light. The other way to charge your LaserComb is to simply plug your power cord directly into the bottom of your device like that, and you're ready to go. It should take about 2 to 3 hours to fully charge your device. Once charged, to start your treatments, press the lower button and then press the upper button. That activates those 9 medical grade therapeutic laser lights. Put the device up to your hairline and hold it there. Now you look, I'm pressing it against my scalp to make sure those teeth are touching my scalp, and when it beeps, I move it back a ½ an inch. What these teeth do is they move the hair out of the way and they let that light energy get down to the scalp. Keep in mind, your hair doesn't grow out here. Your hair grows from the scalp outward. And this light energy is clinically proven to get into the scalp and energize those dormant hair follicles to wake them up and make them start growing again. So I've got my beep, I move it a ½ inch. It's going to beep again, I move it a ½ inch. It's going to beep again. I continue like this all the way to the back of my hairline. Then I do it again. Beep, move, beep, move, beep, move. I do this 3 to 4 times over the same area. Then I move it up to the next area up here. Now you can see those therapeutic lights are getting past my hair because the hair parting teeth, they're reaching down to my scalp where they're energizing those weakened hair follicles. Beep and move it across this next section, all the way to the back. You should be able to cover your entire scalp with multiple passes in the 11-minute treatment time. Once you're done, simply press the lower button to turn your device off. Then I keep mine right in the cradle, plugged into the wall, to make sure the battery is charged and ready to go for my next treatment. We've designed the LaserComb so that you can clean the teeth very, very easily. All you need to do is put your fingers under the base of the teeth and push upward. You hear that little click? And the teeth come straight out. Wash these in your sink with warm, soapy water and let it dry. Then what you want to do is take a warm, damp cloth and wipe that laser window down to make sure there's no buildup of styling products or hair oils along this window. To replace the teeth, make sure you just line the little slots up properly and it snaps right down into place, and you're ready to go with your next treatment.